Hey guys, today we're going to be working on a Honda HR214. There's two issues with this mower. One is it only runs on full choke, so it usually means the carburetor needs to be serviced. However, this carburetor is actually broken. The tabs that hold the float are damaged and one was broken off. So the customer decided to go ahead and purchase a aftermarket carburetor made in China. Looks identical, so we're going to give this one a whirl and see what happens. And if it turns out to be a good carburetor, then I'll link the part number in the description. But just looking at here really quick, it does say designed in Japan, so we will see how it goes. To replace the carburetor, very simple. Remove the airbox assembly and two 10mm bolts there, another 10mm nut there. Pull this off and pretty much the carburetor just slides right off. Once the air cleaner assembly is removed, I need to remove the gutter linkage here. It's kind of dark again, I apologize. I'm going to try to do this on camera with one hand. We'll see how that goes. It just pops up, and then the springs pulls out. And then to get the choke linkage off, you're going to need to pull like this, and off comes the carburetor. We do need to transfer this gasket and spacer from this carburetor to the new one, but it's a pretty simple process. The new carburetor is installed. Again, supposedly made in China, but it has a Japanese imprint on it, which is awesome. I'm gonna take this outside now and see how she runs.